Today, we're diving into a showdown between two premium winter tires, the Michelin Alpin 6 and the Goodyear UltraGrip 9 Plus. These tires are engineered for snowy and wet conditions, and we'll explore how they perform based on the 2021 Auto Build Winter Tire Test. Let's find out which of these snow killers truly dominates the road. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Alpin 6 set as the reference point at 100%. Let's start with dry performance, where the Michelin Alpin 6 shows stronger results. In dry braking, the Alpin 6 stops in 45.9 meters, while the UltraGrip 9 Plus takes slightly longer at 47.7 meters, a difference of 1.8 meters. When it comes to dry handling, the Alpin 6 edges ahead again, reaching an average speed of 137 kilometers per hour compared to the UltraGrip 9 Plus speed of 135.8 kilometers per hour, which is a difference of 1.2 kilometer per hour. In wet performance, the Alpin 6 stops in 54.6 meters, just 0.4 meters shorter than the UltraGrip 9 Plus at 55 meters. In handling, the UltraGrip 9 Plus edges ahead by 0.1 kilometer per hour at 71.7 kilometers per hour compared to 71.6 kilometers per hour for the Alpin 6. It also outperforms in aquaplaning, resisting water at 2.8 kilometers per hour faster, with 80.8 kilometers per hour versus 78 kilometers per hour for the Alpin 6. Now on to snow performance, a key area for winter tires. In snow braking, the Goodyear UltraGrip 9 Plus shows its strength, stopping in 27.5 meters, while the Alpin 6 takes 29.1 meters, resulting in a difference of 1.6 meters in favor of the UltraGrip 9 Plus. The tires are nearly identical in snow traction, with the Alpin 6 generating 2,860 newtons of force compared to the UltraGrip 9 Plus at 2,836 newtons, resulting in a minor difference of 26 newtons. In terms of wear, the Alpin 6 boasts an expected mileage of 40,100 kilometers, while the UltraGrip 9 Plus is slightly lower at 36,600 kilometers, a difference of 3,500 kilometers in favor of the Alpin 6. Looking at noise, the Michelin Alpin 6 comes in quieter, producing 70.9 decibels, which is lower than UltraGrip 9 Plus by 0.4 decibels. When we look at rolling resistance, the UltraGrip 9 Plus performs better, with a coefficient value of 8.25, which is 0.5 less than Alpin 6. So, what's the verdict? The Goodyear UltraGrip 9 Plus dominates in areas like snow braking, aquaplaning, and rolling resistance, while the Michelin Alpin 6 excels in dry and mileage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.